and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 remote, work from home, flexible tutoring jobs that anyone can do. Yes, I mean anyone. When I say anyone, I mean it's not restricted to you having a teaching license. So you don't need to have a teaching license, you don't need to have a certifications, you don't need to have a degree to be able to take up on any of these jobs. So yes, if you're ready to find out about those jobs that you can do from the convenience of your home at your own schedule, then stay watching. So the first platform I'll be talking about is apprentice.com, and this is spelled apprentice.com. This is an online tutoring platform that connects students with tutors in a variety of subjects. The tutors must at least have a high school diploma and relevant subject knowledge, but you don't need to have a degree. To sign up, tutors can simply log onto the website, which is the apprentice.com website, and create an account. After you create an account, you will be verified, and once you're verified, you can set your hourly rates. Now, the average hourly rates that teachers typically charge on here is anywhere between $20 per hour to as high as $30 per hour, depending on experiences. The next platform I'll be talking about is called Cambly. Cambly. That's cambly.com. This is an online tutoring platform that connects students with native English speakers, typically for conversation practice. Now, the tutors on this platform need to be native English speakers, but no degree is required, no certification is required, no licensing is required. To sign up, tutors can visit the Cambly website and create an account, and tutors typically on here earn anywhere between $10 per hour to as high as $12 per hour. $10 if you're teaching adults, and $12 per hour if you're teaching the kids. The third platform I'll be talking about today is called Magic Ears, and the website is tmmears.com. This is an online English tutoring platform that connects tutors with students aged anywhere between 4 to 12 years of age. The teaching sessions are held in a 1:4 ratio. The basic requirement of this platform is that you're fluent in English, but no degree is required. To sign up, you simply visit the website and create an account. After you get verified, then you can start tutoring based on your schedule and availability. As you could see from the website, tutors on here get anywhere as high as $26 per hour, depending on how often you tutor as well as your experience. The last but not the least website I'll be talking about today is Schema Talk. Schema Talk is an online tutoring platform that connects students worldwide with native English speakers. This is also for conversational practice. For this particular platform, you need to be a native English speaker, but no degree is required as well. The average rate on this platform is anywhere between $15 per hour to $30 per hour. On this platform, you set your schedule and set your flexibility, and you can work as many or as few hours that you choose. To register, simply go onto the website and create an account. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment if there are any particular work from home content that you're looking for or remote jobs that you're looking for, and I'll research about it and get back to you. Until the next video, it's gonna be bye-bye.